everyone, welcome to Lost Spirits. Today in this video, I gonna discuss the Hindu high frequency words of 31st October 2021. And before starting this video, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram and join my Telegram channel. I'll drop both of the links in description box. Okay. If you have any of the queries related to law entrance exams like CLAT, talent and other law entrances, please drop it in comment box or share it on Telegram. Let's start. The first word is prowess, which means great skill at doing something, means skillful at something. Okay, and the synonyms are expertise and mastery, and the antonyms are inability and inaptitude. Okay, opposite of prowess means not skillful at something. And if we come to the sentence, it can be framed like Christina used her hunting prowess to survive in the woods for a week. Means Christina used her hunting skills to survive in the woods for a week. And the second word is petulant, which means bad-tempered and unreasonable, because you cannot have or do what you want. Okay, means bad-tempered because cannot have or do something that you want. Okay, and synonyms are peevish, ill-tempered. Okay, peevish, ill-tempered. And the antonym good-humored and affable, means not bad-tempered, in a good mind. Okay, and a sentence that can be framed with petulant is he was a petulant child who was aggravated by the smallest things. Okay, he was a child of bad-tempered who was just aggravated by the smallest things. And the third word is tedious, which means it's a thing that is boring and also lasting for a long time. Okay, and the synonyms are boring, monotonous. Okay, and antonym exciting, interesting, means not monotonous or not boring. Okay, and the sentence that can be formed with tedious is writing a new spreadsheet or word processing program these days is a tedious process. Okay, is a tedious process like building a skyscraper out of toothpicks. Okay, and the fourth word is consternation, which means the feeling of shock or worry. And the synonyms are dismay or distress, means worried. Okay, and the antonyms are calmness. Okay, calmness and satisfied. Okay, calmness and satisfied. And a sentence that can be framed with concentration is there was consternation among some customers who have encountered a variety of glitches. Okay, I had covered this word earlier also, but due to its very high frequency, I have to repeat this word. And the fifth word is indelible. Okay, which means that cannot be removed or washed out. Okay, and the synonyms are ineradicable and inefficable. And the antonyms are unremarkable and forgettable, means which can easily be removed or washed out. Okay, and frame the sentence from indelible, it can be like the horrors he experienced are imprinted, perhaps indelibly, in his brain. Means horrors in his mind, horrors are indelible, means they can't be removed. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any of the queries, please comment down it in comment box, and please do let me know what else you want from this channel.